Good morning, Vic Vlogs. Today is July 10th, 2025. It is currently, it's like 7 o'clock right now. Almost. Oh, 6:30. Woke up kind of late today. Me. Mommy is not. She's been working hard since early this morning. Better than me. I'm not working right now. But it's a beautiful day today. Look at the sun is shining. The water looks gorgeous. It's windy. It's like gonna be like 70 something degrees today. All day. So I'm really excited. We're going to do the road to Hana, like hiking. Not drive it. We're gonna do a tour back, guiding. Excited about the next road to Hana is kind of scary. We did it last time we were here. But anyways, I'm kind of chilly. I'm getting goosebumps. I'm going to just kind of hang out. I got some photos on my camera I need to probably upload. And then I probably need to upload some of these videos because I'm running out of storage. So that'd be fun. And yeah, I will talk to you guys later and ready for an eventful fun day. Alright, big vlogs. We're all hike ready. A little fit check. I'm wearing this one-piece swimsuit from Forever 21. This is from Bells, TJ Maxx, Marshalls, and then Amazon and Kohl's. I'm just excited. He's in his putts on still, but we're ready to go. Have a fun time. She looks so cute in her belly top. Take a piece of gum. The road, so you see my sunglasses.
We got sunscreen?
I don't know what sunglasses I should wear.
Yeah.
Okay.
Maybe they'll actually brown. Actually, cozy and they're white and red.
Chocolate. Turns into chocolate. I think that I am... I think these ones are better. For this outfit, I think. Maybe not. These look kind of batty. Keep these ones on. Let me go look in the mirror, actually. Alrighty, we made it to the destination where we're supposed to meet the people for this hike. It is 9:01 a.m. July 10th, 2025. Jada, Wilson, Mom, Dad. Alright, we got our water shoes on now. Where's your water shoe?
Just come.
Put it on. I'm not gonna do it. I'm not gonna get that for free. True.
That's diabolical.
Jason, did you put your water shoes on? Let me see the aura.
I don't have water shoes on. And that's negative aura.
That's negative aura. Let's go.
There we are.
Eee. They're here. Hike Maui. Come down or both? I got a bus. Show your feet.
No.
Mom and Dad.
I would, but like.
I'll show you my feet, our feet. Vanessa got cute ones. I got ugly ones. Just kidding. What about Jason's? Let's go see. I don't need even throw this out the window. There you went.
We're gonna go do about a 2 to 2.5 mile round trip hike in the jungle. No poison ivy, no poison oak, and guess what? No snakes.
Oh my god.
There are slippery routes though, rock ledges, walking through streams, that sort of thing. We'll go from pool to pool. If you look to the right here, do you see that brown field and then another green field? Kind of up against that town? That's all coffee right there below that town on the right called Pukalani. The town. Pukalani on the right of the highway there, Makawao on the left is the West Maui Mountain. About half as tall, 5,788 feet. But that's extinct on the left. If you look over there to the left past the airport, it looks like a mountain range, doesn't it?
Mm-hmm.
But that is heavily eroded over many years, and it is one extinct volcano called Mauna Kahalabai. Mauna means mountain, Kahalabai is gathering place, because those clouds gather up there. See them gathering?
Yep.
Yeah, so the most popular helicopter tour on the island is through those mountains, or that mountain on the left there, to, you know, 1,000-foot waterfalls, and they erupt out of what's called flank vents or pu'us in Hawaiian. A pu'u is a hill or mountaintop or one of these cinder cones coming into view. So if you look at the 1 or 2 o'clock direction over there, do you see the little bump on the ridge there? Do you see that?
Yes.
That is a pu'u, or a cinder cone. That's where lava would have poured out of many years ago. And so you times that over thousands of eruptions, it builds up the mountain like a layer cake. So, formed by a steam town in the 1930s and 40s, became a ghost town in the 50s when everybody moved. Yeah. The island's tattooed on your back. You gotta get some good coffee, shave ice. All neat little town, isn't it?
Yeah.
And the ocean is right behind these buildings on the left, right there. So yeah, we love Paia. It's a good town to cruise in. A little fire station here on the left used to be a courthouse back in the day, can you tell? And remember the sugar plantation. See the difference in vegetation yet? So now we're solidly on what's called the windward side. It faces the prevailing winds out of the northeast off your left shoulder there. They blow out of the northeast like 15 to 20 miles per hour 90% of the time. And they bring the clouds and the moisture to this side of the island. And then they clump up there on the slope of each volcano or mountain and drop the rain over here, making it the green, lush side of the island. Can you tell?
Mm-hmm.
So down by the hotels and where I live in Kihei and Wailea and even Kaanapali and Lahaina on the west side, those areas are all the leeward dry side. So the two, and because it's facing the free AC, the trade winds, it's a little bit cooler over here. Trade winds definitely keep it nice and cool. No questions? And I think another wave from Tahiti came like 500 or 600 years later. Those are the first people to come. Now if you've seen the tour from here, when they came back in the winter of 1779, they never set foot on Maui, but thousands of canoes and Hawaiians paddled out to them, trading produce for nails and metal because they had no metal in the islands. And then he went over to the Big Island. That's where he met Kamehameha the Great, who was a big chief on the Big Island. This is before the Hawaiian Kingdom even existed. So we went over there, but then relations kind of soured. No questions?
Do these roads flood?
They do. Yeah, so the road to Hana is in a constant state of repair. See this spot right here on the right? That's a landslide right there. So yeah, especially in the winter during heavy rains is a bad idea to do the road to Hana. But they are like a strike team out in Hana. They will launch out with their heavy equipment and they can get the road open in like a matter of 45 minutes sometimes. They're pretty quick. It's a thoroughfare, a vital, what do they call it? Just a vital road, you know, lifeline into East Maui. But if anything major happens out there, it's definitely a helicopter ride versus ambulance on the road.
Sounds expensive.
Indeed. So yeah, we are 2 miles away, my friends. Rapidly approaching Germany, nearly 50 years ago now. They still live and work out here, growing everything from bananas to breadfruit there on the left. We have exclusive commercial access, so no other tour operators allowed in here. They allow limited public access in the lower valley. Alright, so you're going to want to change into whatever you want to swim in and hike in right away. And use the restrooms straight away. I'll get you your lunches and snacks behind the van. And we are stoked. First mover advantage. We beat them all here. So yeah, whatever. So brought one for each of you. Tends to be too much to share. You can start to load them up. Start to transfer your stuff over.
Thank you. That's very good. They're in the jungle, he said? Okay. Basically, I'm better than you. In the jungle? Like he told me to? Are you freaking serious right now, dude? This is ridiculous. This is ridiculous. Stop, you're embarrassing me.
Oh, and now it's time. I'm just gonna keep doing it.
Sorry. It's bananas.
Nice.
Adventure.
Good gather in.
Wow.
This is kind of a shady spot to look at this one across the way.
Oh wow.
This is too good to pass up. Gathering in the back. We're looking at this taller tree in the middle there. See what looks like beehives? This is called jackfruit.
Ah.
So that is the largest of the tree fruits. One jackfruit has weighed like 110 pounds. So massive. That's from Southeast Asia. If you've ever had juicy fruit gum, that's basically what jackfruit tastes like. I think it might have inspired juicy fruit gum. But yeah, that is pretty firm. 500 types of avocados.
Wow.
Hybrids and various types. All introduced from Central and South America. Yeah, in Hawaii, 500 types. Now, check out this since we're in a nice shady spot. These are bananas. We'll see a lot of them.
That's cool.
Wave here over here.
This is torch ginger, everybody. The red flower here, torch ginger. There's a Madagascar gecko chilling on the top of it, eating the bugs. They're very skittish though, he might have jumped away. Everybody doing okay?
Yeah, cool.
Let's check out this tree while we're waiting here a minute. This one is called the Hala tree. H-A-L-A. Another canoe plant, but they have found this one to be native.
Touch me.
You almost better jump into the...
Oh, it's soft.
Yeah, it's
Yeah, it's a little bit.
Guess I'm just a laughing stock. We're on our little hike. It's nice
What's
out.
that?
We didn't say anything though. Farm area. Oh, careful, my man. These are honestly pretty nice shoes. Thanks, Mom, for the aura drop.
Yeah.
But it's worth it. Oh, they're really cool.
This is absolutely stunning on the right here. Called Parrotbill heliconia. Get some shots as you come through.
That's all he was looking forward to on this trip.
So what do we got here, gang? This is East Maui irrigation. You guys gather in the back if you like. We'll just kind of crowd in on the bridge. This is a small section of what is 74 miles of ditches, hand dug using picks and shovels in the 1870s. All to bring fresh water from the jungle to the Central Valley for what crop?
Sugarcane.
Sugarcane, yeah. So you used to bring 400, no, a little bit, yeah. They're still using some of it, but.
No, I'm scared.
An area where the sticks really shine.
I
The next
almost-
couple hours is not going to be the farm trail anymore, but you guys will do great. Here
Please
you can
pray
see a
for
couple
me.
of things of note. One, the tunnel for the irrigation there, still the East Maui irrigation behind you. Above your heads is one of the more invasive plants in Hawaii, another tasty fruit though. Pretty much every one of those trees on that cliff top is guava. So guava. If it's closed, it would take water into the system that way. Now that epic flood I told you about took out our trail here. We gotta do a little bit of a cliffhanger here, but I'll be here to help you, okay? It's actually a great spot if you want to get together with your family.
I'm not.
Yep. Nice. Stop. No. Alright, now let's get this 1, 2, 3. Awesome. One portrait mode. Hold up. And there it is. Got it.
Thank you.
Feast your eye.
Ow! Shit hurts. This stuff hurts, I mean. I'm about to just dive in and swim.
Probably favored. Just keep your foot steady before you move the next one.
I'm sweating.
That's a workout. Yeah, thank God.
Yeah, they did not come. Aura. All right. We're going to jump off a little cliff. I'm terrified, honestly. It's so cool. I think it's so cute, though. I don't know if I can jump. I gotta jump. I gotta do it for you guys. Look out. I'm scared. I'm not gonna be able to do this.
Nice.
Jump, I'm scared.
Alright, recording you.
I'm honestly.
Hold it tight.
I feel like
Just off the edge. 3, 2, 1.
That was not graceful. You were trying to say that. Was that graceful? Oh, the wind out of me is so cold. I got the wind out of me. That was not graceful. I was so scared. Recording down in the water. My nipple was just out.
It's so weird, it's not going.
Super got up. Caught up with the best.
That's gonna hurt. What? I'm not jumping. Careful! It's Murphy. He wants this on my nipple. I was terrified. I think I had a hard rough. I'm not doing it. I'm not doing it. I'm not doing it. I might need a towel.
We could get trapped if it rises. But I don't anticipate that today, hence we're down here.
I do not like adrenaline, if I'm honest. That like scared me. Everything that high up. And I was like, oh, I got this. And I was like, I don't got this. I'm not good. Oh, what's going on? My GoPro's already about to die. Or, that probably looks a lot better than mine. Mine was probably super ungraceful.
And out here behind me, you can see how invasive lava is. Pretty much all you're walking through.
prickly.
Whole hillside here.
I almost just ate shit. Hey crap, my phone. Can't think of my feet correctly. It's a workout.
They do quite a bit of that. Jason and I, we do a lot of that.
I wasn't planning on it. He jumped really far. Okay, I'm kind of nervous already. Okay. That was better than last time. Go, Daddy.
Yeah, Bobby.
Careful. Jump. He's so graceful. You're so graceful. You look like a moron.
He's the guy.
What?
I didn't hear him.
I don't. I'm scared of it. Oh, it makes me kind of nervous or something. I'm like shaking. I do not like adrenaline like that. He is pulling my clothes on, by the way. Oh, it's freaking freezing in here. Those are the guys. Tennille Eris is going for it. Please be careful. What is it, Jason? Oh, I see it.
And so I say things like,
Holy crow.
One move. We're doing it. We're doing. I am not jumping from that one. I ain't jumping from that one. Oh, hell no. Oh. I'm not jumping from that one. That did not sound like a good.
Alright, this is the best jumper, you guys. From the top hill.
Hard pass.
Yeah, there's a cave behind the waterfall. You gotta check that out.
I am not going. All you. I have anxiety up here. I'll sit right here. That's crazy work. I can jump from down there though, he said. I'm not jumping.
Come on, Victoria.
No, I'm a whim. I have a future. Jason is sitting right there.
Oh.
Woo!
Like that. No hesitation.
Odds.
Huh?
Odds.
No, there's no odds. No. Screw you. No. No. No thanks, I don't want to. Jason, stop. I'm not going to. Oh, Lord have mercy on me. Woo! Go, Daddy. She just did it. I am not doing it. You do it if you want to do it, I'm not. He's a good, like, jumper. Like, he's really good at it. Like, he's really good at it. Where are you going? I am not doing it.
I was going to, and then I walked.
I think I'm gonna drop the camera though.
I'll get you.
Will you record me?
We got this, Victoria. What are they saying? Not with the camera? Hang on, Victoria, I'll help you. Over this way. Go from here, right between these. Push off of there. Now go from your right, and I'll record you going over.
Okay.
Yeah. Gosh, this is horrifying. Doesn't look quite as intimidating.
It's not that bad.
Ready, count down.
3, 2, 1.
Again, and he recorded me. And I swear my freaking nipple came out again. So you're welcome.
There's a rock right here.
Yeah.
Pretty sweet, huh? Yeah, the waterfall gets warmed by the sun above in the shallow stream. So it's like a warm shower.
Back on our walking adventures. Now we're just going through like the rainforest literally. Instead of like, it's still muddy, but it's not like rocky muddy, which is a good thing. So it's really cool. My GoPro's at 13%. So it's gonna die. So that's why I really never vlog the whole other area. I vlogged on my phone, so if I want to add film, I will. I'm out of breath. This is a really good tour. Really good workout though too. Yes. Look at how cool the trees are. Very strange. Very cool. Anyways, I'll talk to you guys later. It's so cool how like all the grooves and canyons. We just got done. It feels so gross. So wet. It's raining. We just got done. I'm gonna upload this footage for all to see. So happy. So excited. It was so much fun. We got postcards. We went to hike Maui. If you are in Maui and want to have a good hike, hike Maui. It's really great. So hashtag not spawns. Hashtag not spawns, but he was nice and he recorded videos of me jumping off the cliff. So hopefully there was no nip slip. I'll be so embarrassed if there was, but I don't think there was. Not my business, but who cares? You're welcome anyways.